Hi traders, in this video we are going to break down the real costs of trading Forex, spreads, commissions, swaps and platform or account fees. The goal is to show you where money quietly leaks out of your account so you can factor these costs into your trading strategy instead of being surprised by them. Let's take a look at spreads and commissions. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask price and is usually your first unavoidable cost on every trade. Some brokers offer spread only pricing, where all costs are baked into a wider spread, while others offer raw or tie spreads but charge a separate commission per trade or per lot. For active traders and scalpers, even small differences in spreads and commissions add up quickly, which is why you want to compare the all in cost, not just the marketing headline. Let's take a look at swaps, overnight, and other fees. If you hold positions overnight, you'll usually pay or receive a swap or rollover, an interest adjustment based on the two currencies rates and your broker's terms. There can also be non-trading fees like inactivity fees, withdrawal charges, data or platform fees, and in some cases, markups on certain instruments. So it's worth checking the fee schedule, not just spreads. Some brokers partially offset costs through rewards and rebate programs, but those are still built on top of the underlying spread, commission, and swap structure. Let's take a look at a simple example of total trading costs. Suppose you trade one standard lot of EUR/USD on a commission account with a raw spread of 0.2 pips and a $7 round turn commission. At $10 per pip, 0.2 pips of spread is about $2 and the commission adds $7. So your all-in cost is around $9 per round trip trade, roughly 0.9 pips in total. If that same trade on a spread-only account has a 1.5 pip spread and no commission, the cost is about $15 for the same size, which may or may not be worth it depending on your style. You can read a full explanation of Forex trading costs, including spreads, commissions, swaps, and more, using the link in the description below. If this helped you see costs as a set of moving parts you can measure and compare rather than a black box, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your broker or cost questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.